Role of sunlight and gravity in water cycle. Did you know sunlight and gravity a huge role in water cycle? Let's break it down in 3 easy steps. Step 1. Evaporation. First up, sunlight heats up water in rivers, lakes, and oceans. As the water warms up, it transforms into vapor and rises into the atmosphere. This is called evaporation. Step 2. Condensation. Next, as the water vapor floats higher, it cools down. This cooling leads to condensation, where tiny droplets form and cluster together. That's how clouds are created. Step 3. Precipitation. Finally, when those cloud droplets get heavier, they fall back to earth as rain, snow, or hail. And guess what? Gravity pulls them back down. So, sunlight kicks off the cycle by creating vapor, and gravity pulls it all back down to Earth. And the cycle repeats again and again, keeping our planet hydrated. Want to learn more about how this amazing cycle works in detail? Click the link in the description for the full video. You won't want to miss the science behind it all.